Hey tech enthusiasts, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable dark mode in CyberPanel using custom CSS. Welcome back. In recent years, dark mode has become increasingly popular among users of various applications and operating systems. Not only does it reduce eye strain and improve visibility in low light environments, but also it gives a sleek and modern look to the user interface. CyberPanel is a web hosting control panel that provides a user-friendly interface for managing web servers. Also, it offers a dark mode option for its users. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore how to enable it automatically or customize it by yourself using the code that we'll be providing. That being said, let's head on to work. Enabling dark mode in CyberPanel is a straightforward process that can be done within the control panel setting. First of all, you need to log in into your CyberPanel control panel using your credentials. Once logged in, head on to the design section from the sidebar in here. Next, you may hit the row in here to select the themes that you want to apply. You can just select some of these options and try if it goes with your taste. Let's try this one. Not black. Apply save changes, wait few seconds and it will be applied. As you can see, it's not fully black. It's not that good, though it keeps highlighted colors. Okay, so as I said, you just test these ones. There are many of them. So let's try this one too before we head on to our custom. It's much better. It's not that good. It's not comfortable enough. Yeah. So as I said, it's all your choice. To remove the custom theme, you just select all and delete. Next, you just apply save changes, and voila, you get the default theme. Now we want to customize and get a true dark theme for our control panel. To do so, you just copy the custom CSS that we have got. We'll find all the links below the video. This will take you to our detailed post, and we just scroll down until you find the code is in here. The credits go to Rohani Rabin. Good. So you select all the code. Next, Ctrl+C, will just hit copy. Now let's head back to our control panel. I'll paste in the code here, right? And all we need to do is go ahead, save changes. And voila, your theme has been changed. And as you can see, it's already features dark theme at the top. We go back to the dashboard. We'll find it much better. Full one. The section are highlighted with the same different colors, and it's really very comfortable, and it reduces the eye strain. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified about the latest updates. See you in the next one.